Hello everyone, and welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're exploring one of the most reliable and robust storage solutions available.
The Amazon Basics 4-Shelf Adjustable Heavy-Duty Wide Storage Shelving Unit. If you're looking to maximize your storage space with a sturdy and adjustable shelving system, this product might just be your ideal pick.
Let's delve into what makes it stand out. Featuring durable steel construction with a sleek black finish, this shelving unit is built to last.
Each shelf boasts an impressive 350-pound capacity, allowing for a total weight capacity of up to 1,400 pounds when evenly distributed. Whether you're organizing your garage, kitchen, laundry room, or workspace, its versatility shines through. One of the standout features of this shelving unit is its ease of assembly.
No tools are required, thanks to its quick and straightforward setup process.
You can adjust the shelf height in 1-inch increments to suit your specific storage needs, providing added flexibility.
Designed for multi-purpose use, this unit is perfect for storing tools, supplies, and various household items.
Its stability is enhanced with 4 leveling feet, ensuring it stays steady on different floor surfaces. From home use to professional environments, it adapts effortlessly to different settings. In conclusion, the Amazon Basics 4-Shelf Adjustable Heavy-Duty Wide Storage Shelving Unit offers exceptional durability, versatility, and ease of assembly. With its impressive weight capacity and adjustable shelves, it's undoubtedly one of the best choices in its category. Whether you're organizing a small space or a larger area, this shelving unit delivers on both functionality and reliability.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful,
don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful product reviews.
Stay tuned for our next episode, where we uncover more top-notch products like this one. Until next time, happy organizing!